This is the circuitry to control all the four pneumatic cylinders. We are going to use only one pneumatic relay to control all the cylinders. Here we are going to apply 12-volt input. This is the relay which will control the cylinders. Arduino we are using to just turn on and off the relay. We are going to send the serial data to Arduino from the PC. So we are using the Python code to send the data whenever we push the space button. So that's all the logic about code. So these are the cylinders. So you can see these holes are pretty small, and you can see like this moves very slow. What we can do is increase this size of holes, so more air pass through this and it increases the speed of the cylinder. You can check now, see the speed, see the difference. Like it's a lot of difference. I'm not sure like what are the disadvantages it will bring, but it's working for now. How